Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your home clean at all times while explaining the importance of a clean home. First, let's talk about the importance of a clean home. Keeping your home clean is important for a few reasons. First of all, a clean home is much more pleasant than a dirty one. It's easier to relax and enjoy your home when you don't have to worry about dirt and clutter. Secondly, a clean home can help prevent the spread of germs and illness. Finally, a clean home can help you stay organized and productive. Now let's get to the tips on how to keep your home clean at all times. Step 1. Establish a regular cleaning routine. It could be daily, weekly, or even monthly. This will help you stay on top of the clutter and mess that accumulates over time. Step 2. Start with the biggest tasks first. These could include vacuuming, mopping, dusting, and cleaning the bathrooms. Step 3. Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up. This could include putting away items that don't belong in the area, putting away laundry, and wiping down counters and other surfaces. Step 4. Create a designated spot for everything. This could include having a spot for shoes, coats, toys, and other items that tend to get cluttered. Step 5. Get your family involved. Assign tasks to each family member so that everyone pitches in to keep the home clean. Step 6. Don't forget about the outside of your home. Mowing the lawn, trimming the bushes, and sweeping the porch can help keep the exterior of your home looking neat and tidy. And that's it. Following these steps will help keep your home clean at all times. Thanks for watching and good luck. Like, share, and subscribe.